Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 24th, and this is my recap of the top videos of the day. And gold versus the dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on gold from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So gold, I mean, it did push up pretty good today, but really it's actually been very sideways. It's kind of a real channel, really. But I definitely think there's a pretty decent little Elliot wave count in here. I still, just like I said this morning, think this is the end of a wave C. I'm still suspecting that this could be a 1, a 2, and I still think there's a pretty good chance it could go up for a wave 3. Now, even if it isn't a 1, 2, 3, I still think it should go up. And if it ends up looking like this, then I would definitely say it's a wave C to the downtrend. On the other hand, if it goes up and makes a series of higher highs, higher lows, that should confirm that this is a 1, 2, 3, and that this really is the end of a wave C down here at the end of this 5-wave downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my membership program. That gives you access to my daily live trading sessions, and it gives you access to all my swing trade setups by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.